Good day, coin enthusiasts and history buffs. Today, we're diving into the world of numismatics to explore a particular coin with a rich background. The 50 Sen of Malaysia, 2016, the Bank Negara Malaysia. While it might seem like a common coin at first glance, its history, design, and place in the numismatic world make it a fascinating subject. The 50 Sen coin in Malaysia is a fascinating piece of currency that reflects the country's rich history, economic transitions, and cultural influences. The 2016 version of this coin, in particular, offers insights into Malaysia's numismatic landscape, its minting processes, and its geographical significance. The Malaysian 50 Sen coin was first introduced in 1967 as part of the country's decimal currency system, replacing the earlier Malayan dollar. The 50 Sen denomination serves as an essential part of everyday transactions, representing a balance between value and convenience. The 50 Sen coin has been part of Malaysia's currency since 1967. In 2016, Bank Negara Malaysia introduced a new series of coins, featuring enhanced security features and redesigned artwork. The design of the 50 Sen coin is particularly interesting. It is made of a nickel-brass alloy and has a diameter of 50 Sen is 24 millimeters and a weight of 7.71 grams, and the designer is Bank Negara Malaysia. The coin features a common Malaysian side and a national side unique to each issuing country. Over the decades, the coin has undergone several design changes, reflecting the evolution of Malaysian identity and priorities. The designs often incorporate national symbols, flora, and fauna, showcasing the country's natural heritage. The 2016 edition of the 50 Sen coin features the flower of Malaysia, the Hibiscus rosa sinensis. This design choice symbolizes beauty, resilience, and national pride. The reverse side includes the denomination 50 prominently displayed, accompanied by the year of minting, 2016. This design aligns with Bank Negara Malaysia's mission to promote a unique national identity through currency. The hibiscus is not just a decorative element. It serves as a reminder of the country's rich biodiversity and cultural significance. Coins in Malaysia are minted by the Royal Mint of Malaysia, Perbadanan Mint Malaysia, which ensures the production meets international standards of quality and durability. The minting process involves several stages, including design approval, die production, and striking. The 50 Sen coin is made from a copper-nickel alloy, known for its resistance to corrosion and wear. This ensures longevity, allowing the coins to remain in circulation for years without significant degradation. From a numismatic perspective, the 2016 50 Sen coin is not particularly rare, as large quantities were minted. However, collectors may find interest in specific minting errors, variations, or coins that have been preserved in uncirculated condition. Coins from certain years, or those with unique features, often appreciate in value over time. For the 2016 50 Sen coin, while its face value remains at 50 Sen, its collectible value may vary based on demand, condition, and market interest. Malaysia is situated in Southeast Asia, strategically located along major maritime trade routes. The 50 Sen coin, like other denominations, plays a crucial role in facilitating commerce within the region. The design elements often reflect Malaysia's multicultural heritage, which includes Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous influences. This blend of cultures is also mirrored in the economic activities prevalent in the region, from agriculture to technology. The 50 Sen coin plays a vital role in everyday transactions, particularly in smaller businesses and local markets. Its continued circulation is crucial for economic stability, providing a means for consumers to engage in daily commerce. Furthermore, as Malaysia continues to grow as a developing economy, the relevance of the 50 Sen coin reflects broader economic trends, such as inflation and currency valuation. The 50 Sen coin of Malaysia, especially the 2016 version, encapsulates more than just a monetary value. It embodies the nation's history, culture, and economic practices. For numismatists, it serves as a tangible connection to Malaysia's past and present, offering insights into its identity. The 50 Sen Malaysia 2016 coin offers a fascinating blend of history, geography, and numismatic value. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this coin is a valuable addition to any collection. As collectors and enthusiasts delve into the stories behind such coins, they contribute to the preservation of Malaysia's rich numismatic heritage. The 50 Sen coin stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of currency in shaping economies and cultures around the world. Thank you for exploring the multifaceted aspects of the 50 Sen Malaysia 2016 coin with me. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and significance of Malaysian currency. We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for this fascinating piece of numismatic history. Subscribe the channel Ashwa Old Coins and press the bell icon for more information about old coins of different countries. Stay tuned for more insights into coins and their history.